Hey, you may see my other videos talking about the importance of the soleus and gastroc push-off to be a fast runner. But the opposite end of that is our hip flexor has got to pull through like a rubber band action to pull through. So I've got the athlete in a 90-90-90 here, and the blue tapes mark where to start and begin each rep. So go ahead and stand up. Now pull into hip flexion, pull all the way through, touch, go back down. Awesome. That's one rep, okay? Do 9 more, switch sides, put yourself in the 90-90-90, and you're good to go. Hey, remember the runner is only going to run in a secure, stable, strong state, meaning if my leg is way back here, that body has to be strong all the way back there. Otherwise, the gait is not going to be that long. It's going to be shortened up to its secure place. So we talked about working on the hip flexor being strong at that end. Now we need the hip flexor to be strong at the other end. So we got an athlete up in this 90-90 on the box. We want to think about that knee coming above the navel to establish a greater range in a secure, strong state. So go ahead and bring it up and back down. Reps of that. This is also a great way to see if that person is strong. Watch the core. Does it flinch to side to side? Go ahead up. Have a great day.